In the ever-evolving landscape of education and online learning, the need for dynamic platforms that foster engagement, enhance learning outcomes, and support seamless course delivery is paramount. Coursive.io is one such platform, offering an innovative approach to course creation and management for educators, entrepreneurs, and business alike. This platform provides the tools to design, organize, and distribute content, helping instructors to create engaging, impactful online courses. Whether you are an experienced educator or a first-time course creator, Coursive.io's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it an excellent choice for delivering high-quality learning experiences. For beginners looking to get started with Coursive.io, it's essential to understand how the platform functions and how you can harness its capabilities to create effective courses. The process of using Coursive.io to create and manage an online course involves several key steps: setting up an account, designing a course, adding content, setting up the learning environment, and launching your course. Throughout the steps, Coursive.io offers a comprehensive and easy-to-follow framework that simplifies the course creation process and empowers educators to focus on delivering high-value content. The first step in getting started with Coursive.io is creating an account. When you sign up, you'll gain access to a clean, user-friendly dashboard that serves as a central hub for managing your courses. The platform is designed to be intuitive, with tools and features that are easy to navigate, even for those with little to no experience in course creation. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to various options for creating and managing courses, viewing student progress, and customizing course offerings. One of the most valuable features of Coursive.io is its drag-and-drop course builder. This tool makes it incredibly easy for beginners to design and structure their courses, even without any coding or technical skills. The drag-and-drop interface allows you to arrange course modules, lessons, and multimedia content with ease. You can build each section of your course in a way that makes sense for your teaching style and subject matter, ensuring that the content flows logically and engages learners effectively. Adding content to your course is straightforward and allows for a variety of formats. Coursive.io supports text-based lessons, video lectures, quizzes, assignments, and downloadable sources, enabling you to offer diverse learning experiences. You can upload video files directly to the platform or link to external video hosting services, such as YouTube or Vimeo. This flexibility allows you to create a well-rounded course that caters to different learning preferences. For instance, some students may benefit from video demonstrations, while others might prefer reading lesson materials or completing interactive quizzes to reinforce learning. The platform also enables you to create assignments and assessments to gauge student progress. Whether you choose to create multiple-choice quizzes, short answer questions, or assignments that require more in-depth responses, Coursive.io offers a range of tools to measure how well students are absorbing the material. For beginners, this feature helps ensure that your course remains interactive and engaging, providing students with feedback that enhances the learning experience. Coursive.io's ability to track student progress allows you to monitor individual and overall performance in real time, offering valuable insights into where students may need additional support. Another key feature of Coursive.io is its flexibility when it comes to course organizations and structure. You can break your course into multiple modules or sections, each with its own set of lessons or units. This modular approach allows you to design your course in a way that makes it easy for students to follow and understand. You can also customize the flow of your course to ensure that learners move from one section to the next in a logical progression. This flexibility in course design is beneficial for creating courses that cater to different skills level, from beginners to more advanced learners. For educators looking to create a truly engaging learning experience, Coursive.io also provides tools to enhance interaction and communication with students. The platform includes features such as discussion boards, and messaging systems, which enable instructors and learners to engage in meaningful conversations. These communication tools allow for a more collaborative learning environment where students can ask questions, share insights, and interact with both the instructor and their peers. As a course creator, you can encourage student engagement by responding to questions, providing feedback, and fostering an active learning community within the platform. Once you've created and organized your course content, Coursive.io offers various customization options that allows you to tailor the look and feel of your course. You can customize your course landing page, adjust the colors and branding to match your personal or business identity, and set up your course to align with your desired learning goals. This customization ensures that your course reflects your unique style and message, while also providing a professional, polished appearance that appeals to students. Pricing your course is another important aspect of course creation. Coursive.io offers flexible pricing options to suit your business model, whether you want to offer your course for free, charge a one-time fee, or implement a subscription-based payment system. This flexibility allows you to choose a pricing structure that works best for your target audience. If you plan to sell your course, Coursive.io provides tools to securely process payments and manage subscriptions. The platform integrates with popular payment gateways, making it easy for you to collect payments and offer refunds when necessary. One of the major benefits of using Coursive.io for beginners is its ability to support both individual and group-based learning. You can create courses for solo learners or group classes, providing instructors with the option to offer group discounts or bundle multiple courses together for a discounted rate. This flexibility allows you to reach a wider audience, whether you are offering individual lessons or working with teams or organizations. Once your course is created and ready to go, Coursive.io simplifies the process of launching and promoting your course. You can share your course with your audience by embedding it on your website or sharing a unique link. Coursive.io also offers marketing tools such as email templates and automated notifications to help you promote your course and stay in touch with your students. This built-in marketing support is particularly useful for beginners who may not have extensive experience in online course platforms. Another valuable feature of Coursive.io is its analytics and reporting tools. These tools help you track student engagement, monitor completion rates, and measure the overall success of your course. By analyzing these metrics, you can gain insights into which part of your course are most effective and where improvements may be needed. This data-driven approach to course management ensures that your courses evolve and improve over time, allowing you to refine your content and teaching methods based on real-world feedback. For beginners, understanding how to leverage Coursive.io's analytics is essential for improving both the quality of your courses and the student experience. By regularly reviewing performance data, you can identify areas where students may be struggling, allowing you to adjust your content or provide additional resources to support their learning. Furthermore, using analytics to track how students are progressing through your course can help you identify trends and make adjustments to ensure higher engagement and completion rates. As you grow more comfortable with Coursive.io, you may find the platform offers additional advanced features that can further enhance your course creation experience. For example, you can integrate third-party tools such as webinar platforms or CRM software to expand your course offerings and improve communication with your students. Coursive.io's flexibility allows you to continuously evolve your courses, adding new materials, updating existing content, and ensuring that your learners always have the access to the most relevant and up-to-date information. In conclusion, Coursive.io is a powerful and user-friendly platform for creating and managing online resources. Its intuitive interface, flexible course creation tools, and robust analytics make it an ideal choice for beginners looking to share their knowledge with others. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or business owner, Coursive.io offers everything you need to design, deliver, and optimize an engaging learning experience. By taking advantage of its features and capabilities, you can build successful courses that help your students thrive all while growing your online education business.